We are
We
the
are the Dixons,
Dixons, and
and
this
this
is
is
our
our
story.
story.
Hi, my name is Tony, and this is my lovely wife, Azilda.
We have three boys. Carl is our oldest, then is Elroy, and the little one is Lewis. And we have been coming to APC as being our home church since October 2008.
So, as you heard, we came to this church in 2008. We moved to Canada in 2007, and things were pretty good for us. We both found jobs and we bought a house. And then soon enough, Elroy was born in 2008. So Azilda had to stay home from work for a year. And then after the year passed, we talked about her going back to work. And when we added numbers, it was daycare was so expensive, we decided it was better for her to stay at home. So we decided that, and then 2 years down the line, things went downward for us financially. So we sold our home, moved to Brampton, very close to church, and things just got worse for us, like because it was a single income. But God supplied all our needs, and we somehow pulled it through. But we had some really tough times.
So, the first question people usually ask when they go through hardships is, what have I done wrong? Or, Lord, where did I go wrong? And you start pondering these things in your heart and mind. And we did the same. We would ask God, Lord, where did we go wrong? I would say, Lord, we were always tithers, we've always been givers. And the Lord said, well, all these years you have been giving and tithing out of your abundance. But now comes the time when you have to tithe and give, or at least learn to tithe and give in the time of lack. And so it was a very difficult journey for us, a very hard time. Even tithing was difficult, but I would say we still did it. We were obedient to the Lord. And through all of this, the Lord taught us 3 lessons. The first lesson, of course, was tithing, that is to tithe. So we learned to tithe even when we knew we did not have enough money to cover the rest of our expenses for the month. The second thing that we learned was sacrificial giving. Now, sacrificial giving was also difficult because we were already short on finances. And so we had to deny ourselves some things and use that money to bless others. And the third lesson that God taught us during this time was extreme or outrageous giving. Now, that was a very difficult lesson. That means giving all that you have. And it's like the widow who had the 2 mites, who put the 2 mites into the temple treasury. She gave everything that she had. There have been many other instances where God asked us to give in this way, an extreme or outrageous gift to somebody, and we obeyed. So I would just say, I would encourage you, if God is speaking to you to give, I encourage you to obey God in that.
So in 2019, when Pastor gave us the word for the year, your next is now, things really shifted for us, and we really moved ahead taking that word, and a lot of good things happened that year for us. We bought a business, we bought an investment property, and the best was I bought a new truck. I love that truck a lot. And this year, in 2022, during COVID times, nothing was less for us. I mean, we lacked nothing. In fact, we had much more blessings added to us. And this year, I bought another small business, and towards the end of the year, we are planning to acquire another business. And God always provides for us, like according to His word, Philippians 4. And I encourage everyone to tithe despite whatever the situation is. And I love the challenge Pastor Tony used to throw out to the church with the refund guarantee. I mean, it has blessed many people, I'm sure. So that's our story, and we are so blessed to be sharing this with our APC family, and hope it encourages everyone watching this. Thank you.